We work while soldiers sweat and die. The days, the weeks and months fly by. Long hours with no breaks and shifts, no niceties, just more to live.
Our bodies are strong, our minds alert, and there's little time to stay inert. We know the bee that we're built to, without only purpose.
We are the casualties of war.
We are the casualties of war.
The working slaves, they'll need no more.
The working slaves, they'll need no more.
The lowest form of earthling beings.
The lowest form of earthling beings.
Our skills won't matter, not the least.
Our skills won't matter, not the least.
Oh yes, oh yes, oh yes.
Oh yes, yes. We are the casualties of war.
As boats of soldiers hit the shore.
As boats of soldiers hit the shore.
And men and women try their best.
Men and women try their best
to hold their loved ones to their breast.